Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a WooCommerce store or planning to start one, today I will show you 5 must-have plugins that can help you boost sales, improve conversions, and grow faster. These plugins are easy to use, work with most themes, and many have free versions too. So grab a pen or bookmark this video. And let's jump into the top 5 WooCommerce plugins you need in 2025. First up, CartFlows. Cart abandonment is one of the biggest platforms in e-commerce. CartFlows helps you replace the boring default WooCommerce checkout, create high converting sales funnels, add one-click upsells, and order bumps. Customize thank you pages. You can build custom checkout pages that match your brand and reduce friction. Let's say someone buys a camera lens. You can offer them a cleaning kit right before they complete the purchase. Results more revenue without extra ad spend. There's a free version, but CartFlows Pro unlocks more advanced features. You can see the comparison free versus Pro like that. Next, smart coupons. It's more than just regular discount codes. With the plugin, you can create buy one get one deals, offer store credits or gift cards, schedule automatic sales, set cart conditions like 10 $10 off when you spend $50. Smart discounts encourage customers to buy more and come back again. Give a 10% discount code after someone completes a purchase to bring them back. Third on the list with with was a wish list. WITH with list wish list. This plugin lets users save products for later by clicking add to wish list. It helps you understand what customers like, send follow-up emails for saved items, encourage sharing wish lists with friends or family. People aren't always ready to buy instantly. This keeps them engaged and gives them a reason to come back. Perfect for fashion, electronics, or gift-based stores. Number 4. Product recommendations by WooCommerce. Search for product recommend recommendations for WooCommerce. This plugin uses AI or role-based suggestions to recommend related products based on what users view, what they add to cart, purchase behavior. You can display customers also both frequently, both together recommended for you. This increases average order value and keeps users browsing longer. If someone adds a laptop, suggest a wireless mouse or a laptop sleeve. Finally, MailPoet. Search for MailPoet in the search bar. Email is still one of the most powerful tools to grow your sales. MailPoet. MailPoet lets you collect emails right from your WooCommerce store, send automated welcome emails, abundant cart reminders, and sell notifications. Create beautiful email campaigns without leaving WordPress. You can segment your customers like recent buyers, high spenders, or inactive users and send targeted offers. No need to connect with third-party platforms. It's built right into WooCommerce. Quick bonus tips. Don't overload your store with plugins. Choose the one that fit your sales strategy, test them and track the results. Start with 2 to 3 essentials, then add more as your store grows. Always check for plugin compatibility, update frequency, speed impact. And there you have it. The top 5 plugins to boost your WooCommerce sales in 2025. Let's quickly recap. CartFlows supercharge your checkout. Smart coupons, advanced discounts with Wishlist, increase return visits, product recommendations, upsell smartly, MailPoet, automate your emails. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which plugin are you most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.